What's up, everybody? So market's off to a banging start and going over AU, Aussie, Swiss. I'm holding that right now, Aussie, New Zealand. And it looks like these yen pairs are turning around. So I wanted to do a video real quick and discuss the trade setup I sent out there this morning, and I'm about to hop off here, get on our accelerator call, and then go into that in more detail. So you hear those alarms there? That is alarms on my Momentum setup. The exact same system that I've been using to just demolish the markets this week, and the exact same system that I show and teach and mentor the traders in our program to use in order to get funded. So taking a look at Aussie dollar here off of the this is a 15-minute time frame, and I go through and I set my alerts here on the various time frames depending on the strategy that I want to employ. But you can see here, you saw that bell, or you heard that bell. You heard the bell. And now this is set up so that I will get alerts specifically for this strategy, and it's exactly what I teach the traders in the group. So NZD/USD, we took this yesterday, 20 pips out at entry. It's all good though, because why is that? There's always another trade, and everybody's heard that saying before. And the problem with that is, well, there's not always another trade if you don't know exactly what you're trading and what your setup is and how it looks, and you don't have the right strategy. But if you do, and when you do, and hopefully you do, and if you don't, you probably should, because that's a problem. And if you don't, then that's what I'm here for. And I want to show you this exact same strategy so you can finally like make this happen. Quit trying one thing, have a little bit of success, then go off to the next thing, and just end up self-sabotaging yourself. I did a video on that earlier this week, and you could see Derek's results, how he changed his approach, changed his game. And you know, he's not the only one, right? So we have a ton of stories just like Derek's. So here I'm looking for a pullback. I'm not completely sold on these yen pairs turning around, because it's been such a bullish move, but there is a lot of potential here. I do like AUD US dollar, because this move has already begun, and you know, you can see us moving slightly lower, and then on the trend mark here and the momentum confirming that, you know, we are moving lower clearly. But the thing is we have inflation data tomorrow. That inflation is going to be massive. I think it's CPI or PPI. I mean, one or the other. Really doesn't matter. I mean, we all know if inflation's here, that's for sure. I'm also in Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, and depending on what time frame you're looking at, you could be like, dude, this looks like counter trend trade. And yeah, it is, but I'm looking for a pullback here and potentially the start of this move. So how I put my flags here, if I see where, you know, there's a lot of clues for Aussie getting weak or whatever it is, you know, I will specifically target that pair, and then make a game plan and a strategy for the day or the week, depending on how I'm going about it, to, I call it, make a hit list for that pair. So that's what we are right here. Aussie Swiss is playing out super nicely. And so, you know, I'm highlighting these Aussie pairs because potentially I think that we have some more weakness coming through. So so that being said, I got to hop on the accelerator call. If you want to learn this strategy from me and actually learn it step by step and join us on the live calls where we live trade it, then click the link below. Let's make it happen. Hopefully you're having a great trading week. Appreciate you guys, and hopefully I'll see you in the group or see you in the chat. Peace.